Do you want to change your voice using AI on Instagram? In this video, I will show you how to use the AI voice changer feature on Instagram so you can create fun, unique and engaging content. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Instagram. Then here you will go to this sign off chat. As you see, you will tap on this page so that you can choose any chat you want to send them any vocal voice. And here in this page you can tap here in this window or this sign off, and then you can choose any feature you want here of voice effects. You can, for example, choose robot, as you see, and you will wait a moment until it applies.
See, start your audio, and when you finish your...
As you see here, you can change to any voice you want in this page.
See, start your audio, and when you finish your speaking, you will go to this sign.
You will click on this sign to send your audio to your friends. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press bell, like and subscribe.